Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to easily backup and restore Windows 10 registry. If you are going to install an unknown software or want to manually change the Windows 11 registry, I will suggest you to create a backup of registry. So in case something goes wrong, you can restore the registry from that backup. Creating backup of registry is quite easy. All you need to press Windows plus R on the keyboard, and after that type here res edit. Then click on this one OK button or press enter on the keyboard. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Now select computer at the top of this one registry editor. After that click on this one file menu and select here this one export option. Now choose a location from the left side pane. After that name the file such as full registry backup. After that click on this one save button. This will take a few seconds and will create a backup of this one whole registry. Once the backup is created, you will see something like this. It is 258 MB in size in my case. To restore it, again open registry editor and then choose here computer option. After that click on this one file in the menu and select here import option. Now locate the backup from this one left side navigation pane and then select this one backup file. After that click on this one open button. This will start importing registry files. In case you see any error, just ignore it. In case some of the registry files will be already in use, it will be unable to import that file. Like this, you can import and export, or you can say backup or restore registry on your Windows 10 PC.